Becoming a new mom is an incredible journey, and breastfeeding is one of the most natural ways to nourish and bond with your baby. But while breastfeeding is natural, it doesn't always come naturally. Many moms have questions, worries, and even moments of frustration during the first few weeks. If that's you, know that you're not alone. Every breastfeeding journey is unique, and with the right information and support, you can build confidence one feeding at a time. Your body begins producing colostrum during the first few days after birth. This thick, golden milk is often called liquid gold because it's packed with antibodies, nutrients, and immune-boosting properties that help protect your newborn. Although only a small amount is produced, it's exactly what your baby's tiny stomach needs. Within a few days, your mature milk will gradually replace colostrum, increasing in volume to meet your baby's growing appetite. One of the most important factors for successful breastfeeding is getting a good latch. A proper latch helps your baby remove milk effectively while preventing sore nipples. Your baby's mouth should be wide open, covering not only the nipple but also a large portion of the darker area around it. If breastfeeding feels painful beyond the first few seconds, gently break the suction and try again. Pain is often a sign that the latch needs adjustment. Newborns typically feed 8 to 12 times every 24 hours. Rather than watching the clock, it's helpful to watch your baby's hunger cues. Early signs include sucking on hands, rooting, opening the mouth, or becoming more alert. Crying is usually a late hunger cue, making feeding more challenging. Feeding on demand helps establish a healthy milk supply and ensures your baby gets enough nutrition. Many new moms worry about whether they're making enough milk. In most cases, your body produces what your baby needs when breastfeeding happens frequently and effectively. Signs your baby is getting enough milk include regular wet and dirty diapers, steady weight gain, and appearing satisfied after feedings. Cluster feeding, where babies nurse very frequently for several hours, is also completely normal, especially during growth spurts. Breastfeeding can come with challenges. Sore nipples, engorgement, clogged milk ducts, and concerns about milk supply are common during the early weeks. Simple measures such as improving the latch, feeding frequently, changing nursing positions, staying hydrated, and getting as much rest as possible can make a significant difference. If pain is severe, your baby isn't gaining weight, or breastfeeding continues to be difficult, don't hesitate to seek help from your healthcare provider or a certified lactation consultant. Your own health matters too. Eat a balanced diet, drink water whenever you're thirsty, and don't worry about following a perfect meal plan. Most moms don't need special foods to make healthy breast milk. Taking care of yourself also means accepting help from family and friends, because a well-supported mom is better able to care for her baby. It's also important to remember that every breastfeeding journey looks different. Some moms exclusively breastfeed, some pump, some combine breastfeeding with formula, and others choose formula feeding for personal or medical reasons. What matters most is that your baby is fed, loved, and thriving, and that you make the decision that's best for your family. If you're just beginning your breastfeeding journey, be patient with yourself. Learning to breastfeed is a skill that both you and your baby develop together. There may be difficult days, but there will also be beautiful moments of closeness that create lasting memories. Trust your instincts, ask for support when you need it, and remember that progress matters far more than perfection. Thank you for watching Pump with Isabella. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with another new mom who could use a little encouragement. Together, we can make every parenting journey a little easier.